So that'll pretty much finish off this area for now. Having said that, the rock that you can see here sort of leant up against the wall is really only temporary. It's partially a place that I can store the rock whilst I'm waiting to do other things, but you can see the pipe that runs up the wall there. The long-term plan is to put in a Japanese soaking tub in this spot, and once I've made up the wooden bath, it'll be installed in that spot, and these rocks will be incorporated in and around it in a more permanent sort of fixture. So just a quick video for you to see what it looks like now, but that'll be the update for this time, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.